I just took a sneak peek inside here and it's the coolest thing.
Hi guys, it's Kayleen. Welcome back to another RV tour. Today we're doing something super special. I am in Indiana at the Alliance plant and we're going to take a look at a brand new floor plan that has not been toured yet. So this is super exciting. This is a prototype that I'm going to be walking through today. It's almost set and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So let's get started with the tour. All right, so when you first walk in, this is what you're going to see. Looking around, as you can see, visually appealing, doesn't look like anything I've ever seen in a travel trailer before. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this L-shaped sofa is amazing. So out of all of these seats, almost all of them recline. I'm gonna shift over here, you've got these handles. Just pull up, kick back, and relax. Here in the entertainment center, we have the electric LED fireplace. So this is not only for the ambiance and the vibes. When you're plugged into the campsite, this does actually act as an electric heater, so you'll get that to heat up your space on those cooler nights. And you've got this huge TV, so movie night in here is going to be absolutely epic. Here at the table, we are in our campsite slide. You've got this nice view of your campsite out of this window, and this window and the main window both open, so you can let in a lot of natural fresh air. You also have the seats versus the booth, so you can really move around. Here we are in the kitchen, and oh my gosh, there is so much counter space. You have so much room to prep, and this just feels like you're in a completely different room. It really has that fifth wheel feeling that you get in those larger fifth wheels with this similar separated L-shaped kitchen and sofa setup. Solid surface countertops, so much counter space, but you also have a ton of cabinets in here as well, so you will not feel like you're lacking in the storage department by any means. And check out this super cool slide out storage for your silverware. For your kitchen appliances, you've got the stainless steel farmhouse style sink back here, and you have a microwave, 3-burner gas cooktop, and oven over here in this section of your kitchen. For your refrigerator, you've got the Furrion 12 volt, which offers lots of deep refrigerator space. These shelves do come out as well, so you can organize them as you like. And then in the freezer, you've got a good amount of space as well. This is not just a pantry. You open this up, you've got the pull-out drawers, so you can really make the most of your pantry storage. Look at how accessible this makes all of your snacks. That might actually be dangerous. Follow me. Here we are in the bathroom. Over on this side of me, we've got a medicine cabinet with mirrors, and then you'll have your sink, some storage drawers, and even a little shelf where you can put some extra things. And then behind me this way, you've got the toilet and towel hanger. You can see that nicely demoed with this towel right here. So you have 3 hooks there. And behind me, you've got the shower with the skylight, so taller people can still have this shower, use it comfortably. And they did do a squeegee style door, so that helps keep the water from coming out and getting on the floor. And then behind me, you also have space to fold up towels and just kind of put some extra things away. Okay, so now finally we're going to head into the bedroom. It's closed off by this pocket sliding door right next to me. But in here you've got the queen bed. You do get your own separate AC unit in here. So if you're somewhere where it's really warm and muggy, you can crank that up and have a really comfortable time here in your bedroom. Behind me you've got one of your 2 closets with the storage rack and a removable shelf, so you can either fold or hang, whatever works best for you. And then underneath that, you have a shelf where you can rest books. There's outlet and USB back here, so you can plug in your phones or CPAP machines. There's plenty of room for that too. And there's a storage drawer, and that's on both sides of the bed, so both people get both of those things. You've also got some overhead storage here. You can flip these open. And then on the other side of the bed, you have space for a TV, so you can put your own TV in the master bedroom. And in here, you get even more closet space. You've got space to hang stuff up, some hookup stuff, and 2 deep dresser drawers, so you have plenty of storage in the bedroom. Now that you love the inside, let's take a look at the outside. So here we are outside of the Alliance Delta. This trailer comes in at 32 foot, 11 inches, and it's 7,500 pounds dry. Up front here, we've got the power tongue jack so that you can hook up easily to your vehicle. And this comes with the two 20-pound propane tanks and the cover up front. You've got space for your batteries, but now let's head over to your campsite and this passenger storage compartment. There's some seriously cool stuff in here. Taking a look in this basement storage compartment, as you can see, this is built on a drop frame, so you've got that really deep and tall storage compartment. Over here is where things get really fun. So this trailer has two awnings, one on this front piece here, and then one on your slide. Between these two awnings, you have pretty much full campsite coverage, so that's a super sweet feature. But not only that, here you can open and close your awnings from the comfort of outside your campsite. That's probably where you're gonna be when you're hanging out under the awning anyway. You also have this dimmer switch, so you can actually dim and brighten your LED lights under the awning depending on how much light you need and what you want the vibe to be at your campsite. Gotta have internet, so you don't just have that simple satellite dish on the top anymore. You've got this Starlink prep piece. This just comes out and you can get Starlink compatible with this Alliance Delta travel trailer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so excited to be here with Alliance to show you this Delta 284RK. What do you think of this travel trailer? This layout is super fun in so many ways. You've got all of the living space, all of the kitchen space, and pretty much anything that I could think that you want in a camper. So let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye!